Hey guys, how are you doing? It's me, Lily, and today I decided to make a vlog for you guys because actually I'm too sick to go out. Unfortunately, I have a bladder infection and it's really annoying and painful, and that's why I don't want to go out because it's winter time and we actually had a snowstorm yesterday. So I really want to stay inside and heal. And in the meantime, I thought that I want to film another vlog. The last one is really long ago, so it was really time for another vlog. Stay tuned. Okay, first I thought that I want to give you a room tour. This here is my office, and actually I have moved to this house not very long ago. So before that I was living in a very small, tiny flat in Vienna. And actually I have to say that I got really fed up with the city. So now I live in suburbia and I'm really happy with it. And yeah, this here is my office. Nothing special about it. So here on these computers I cut my videos, I edit my videos, and yeah, here you can see just normal accounting stuff, and these are a couple of survival books that I own, and here in this box I have a couple of prototypes of my survival knife that I'm offering right now on my website. And yeah, it's not really special, this room here. Here I have my fishing rod. It's brand new. Unfortunately, I never tried it out because 2018 was really stressy, but I hope that I have more time in 2019. Okay guys, so in this corner I have my bow and arrow collection. I really love archery, and yeah, whenever I have the time I go out and shoot a couple of arrows. And this here is actually my favorite bow. This is the Semic SHT, and I had it with me in Africa. It serves me very well. And yeah, gladly I have gotten my better half into archery as well. So this is the bow of my spouse, and these are the arrows that my spouse is using. However, they are really damaged, so I really have to put on new feathers. So this here is my office, really nothing special. And now let's go into the living room and into the kitchen because I'm really hungry. Alright guys, so now I want to show you the living room and my kitchen, which is actually my most favorite room in this house here because it's really big and spacey. So this is really my kingdom here. And yeah, the couch is very big, so it's big enough that 5 people can sleep on it, no problem. And this here, you might notice, this here is the machete that I had with me in Africa. I bought it there and I think it did a very good job, so I took it with me to Austria as a souvenir. So pretty awesome. And the next thing that I want to show you is this here, which is my reading corner. So sometimes when I have time, which is not very often, I do some reading, and right now I'm very much into gardening. So right now I'm reading like 8 gardening books at one time. Yeah, I know. I'm a real nerd, so when I get into a topic, I really want to know everything, so yeah. Yeah, and actually I have opened up a second channel about gardening, and you will find the link in the description below if you're interested in it. The next thing that I want to show you is this here. It's a fish tank, and actually it doesn't belong to me, but it belongs to my spouse. And first I didn't want to have one, but now as it's here, I really dig it. So let's check it out. Alright, so this is our fish tank. Actually, it's a little bit too small to hold fish, so we only have a couple of crayfish in here. We have 2 orange CPO crayfish in here, and these fellas, they are really the highlight of this fish tank, so I really dig them. And besides that, we also have a couple of shrimps in here and 2 snails who do the cleaning. And yeah, the interior was made by my spouse, so I think it's really great. So they have a lot of stones with holes and this mangrove root which resembles a tree, and we planted a lot of plants in the fish tanks so that they have a natural habitat. And here, yeah, this crayfish is really the highlight of the fish tank because yeah, it's always showing itself and very adventurous. One time it even rode a snail, so pretty cool. And yeah, so this is our small hobby that we have. Okay, now let's go and feed them. Oh God, the pellet doesn't sink down. Oh my god, it's swimming. No! Don't swim. Fall to the ground. Yeah. Okay. Alright guys, so now I want to make myself a breakfast. But before that I have to take my medicine. And I'm taking some cranberry. Cranberry is actually one of the most effective natural remedies that you can take against bladder infections. Tastes actually pretty good. Okay, now for the breakfast, I'm going to have sausages, eggs and bread. Besides the sausage and the eggs, I also want to have something healthy. So now I'm making myself a carrot salad. Aceto balsamico. Okay folks, so I'm finished with breakfast and now I want to bring the kitchen scraps to my compost pile. And on this occasion I also want to show you my garden. Okay, let's go. It's really cold outside and windy. Okay, this here is the garden. Right now it's winter time. And yeah, we had a pretty bad snowstorm in the last days in Austria. Okay. Okay, and this here is my greenhouse. And as you can see right now I'm building some raised beds for in here. And yeah, so this is still in construction. And if you want to see that, you can check out my gardening YouTube channel. Alright folks, so I'm back at the office. I have some work to do. First off, I want to check my emails and also the comments on my channel. Okay, one guy is asking if the handle scales are still available in my kata. I have switched to G10 because it has a better color consistency, so this here is not available in my kata anymore. Can you send your knife to Italy? Yes. Yes, no problem. Smiley. Yeah, so this is what I'm doing now, and also I have to print out quite a couple of invoices, and when I'm done with this I will get back to you. Alright folks, so I'm done with the invoicing and with all the office work today. I even cut a small video, an Instagram video, which I'm going to post today, so stay tuned. And this booklet here is the time plan of my videos. And actually I always produce my videos in advance. So now I have 5 videos left, which is enough for 5 weeks. But you know, usually I have more than this because, yeah, I'm a 100% full-time YouTuber and I don't have any other work. So if I get sick or if I break my arm, then I will have a couple of weeks to recover. And as a YouTuber, it's important that you always, you know, deliver good quality videos every week at least. And yeah, so if you stop making videos, that's really bad. And this is why I have to produce in advance. And this is also why sometimes the weather events doesn't fit together. Like sometimes it can happen that I post a video in January that I have filmed in August last year, and yeah, this is it. So sometimes people get confused with this, but this is the reason, so I always produce videos in advance. So the next thing that I want to show you is my basement, because there I have my tool workshop and I really love it, so come with me. Okay folks, this is my basement. It's pretty big, I really love it, and here I have a table tennis table. Sometimes some friends come by and we play here in the basement. And yeah, this is my most favorite thing in the house, which is my workshop. And I really have all the tools that I need. And right now I'm working on some raised beds And actually I have a little bit of time left until my spouse comes home, and we're expecting some guests today, so I quickly want to continue working on this project here, and then I have to go shopping. Okay, the raised bed is ready, and now I'm going to carry it into the garden. Okay, the next bed I'm going to build tomorrow, because now I really have to go shopping. Okay, I'm back in my car. Outside it's very windy, almost like Armageddon. And yeah, I bought some food, but also I have bought some sweets. These are my favorite, I love them so much. So this is my only weakness that I have. Haribo. Bon appetit. Alrighty, I'm back home. I just want to get the fish into the fridge here. Yep. So now I have like 1 hour left until the guests come. And yeah, I think I'm going to do some reading over there. Okay, right now I'm reading this book here, which is the Great Organic Gardening Book, written by one of the most important gardeners in Austria. And yeah, right now I'm reading about raspberries, because I have some in my garden and I don't really know how to cut them, and this is what I learned today. So this here is a frame for them, and I really want to make a frame like this in my garden. Yeah guys, the guests are gone now. We had some fish and chips and we emptied some beer. And yeah, now I have to clean up the mess here, and then I just gonna go to bed because I'm really tired. I had a long day. And before I do that, actually I want to show you something else. We have something very special. This here is the tooth of a megalodon. It was the biggest shark in history, and that's just a small tooth that the megalodon had. So pretty awesome. And this here you might remember from the Tropical Island series that I filmed, and I carved this trap here, which was pretty awesome and I liked it so much, so I took it with me to Austria as a souvenir. And this here is my award that I got. It's the Austrian Video Award for Travel and Food 2017. So I got that for making my videos, and I'm really proud of it. Yeah folks, so this is it for today, and I really hope that you liked this vlog. It's a little bit of a glimpse into my private life, or behind the scenes of a YouTuber, so to say. And if you want to see more videos like this, please make sure that you leave a like and a comment, and maybe subscribe to this channel if you want to see more videos. Stay tuned till next time.